Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sling web player, easy access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Sling TV website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to a login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding box. Double-check the information you have entered for accuracy. If you want to stay logged in, you may check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your Sling account dashboard. From here, you can access all the available features and content. If you encounter any issues logging in, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you've reset your password, return to the login page. Re-enter your email and new password, then click Login again. You should now have easy access to your Sling web player. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.